Good morning, YouTubers. Just on my way up through the Mournes mountains here today. Not going too far away from home. Just got to get a look at these gorse fires. There've been a few about last night. They're probably all out by now. But yeah, there's a couple of dangerous ones there. People moved out of their houses and all around the Starper area. So, getting reports there's roads and all closed up here. We'll see how it goes. Right there, I don't know why you can see not in the camera, but there's smoke away in the distance there around Binion, Sleeve Binion. Yeah, there's a couple of big fires up there. Yeah, there's that smoke there in the distance. Looks like cloud from here, but the smoke. I can really smell it here. I'll that camera back a wee bit. A few cars about here this morning. Oh, mass time. Alright, watch yourselves. Yeah, it's nice brand new tarmac through that wee village there. That was bad there at one stage. Yeah, great view up here on a good day. Just a bit hazy here today, you just can't see it. Clear day, you can see Dublin Mountains from here. That's the Silent Valley there. That's the gates into it. Yeah, it's temporarily closed at the minute, isn't it? Yeah. I'll bike right today, join the sunshine. No, I'm not going to see much from this side, I don't think. I'm going up here on a turn. My wee mate Aidan lives up here, I'm just not too sure where he lives. Alright, Aidan. Yeah, there's wee Binion. Big Binion right beside it. Just covering cloud there now. Yeah, lovely walk up Big Binion. Beautiful walk up to it. Postman Pat turn there. Yep. Stand over there, I see. Looking towards Kilkeel. On along. Ballymorton. That direction. Do a big U-turn on a slope here. See how that goes. No bother at all. Wasn't much to see in the head road with the fire situation, but you can see there in the distance there. Wow, plenty of smoke. Yeah, I think at these fires the problem is that the wind is fanning them up. favourite wee bit of the road here. Just change the view for you. Always nice view looking down that valley there. I think you can see Cronfield from here. Well, look at the cars up here now. Loads of them. A viewpoint for the fires. Yeah, that's a smoke or that's a cloud there in the distance. They're all slowing down here. Wow, look at the cars. Well, there's about a good few walkers there. I'm ready to see. See the smoke in the distance, but I think that's coming from the Binion one. More cops here. Probably hear that wind there. Oh, my ears only after popping. I can hear it clearly now. Wow, you feel that wind. Keeping them fires alive. Right, we'll have it here, a load of fire engines. The road must be closed. Yeah, road's closed. Cop carts and all sitting down it. Well, the fire jumping across the road or what? Yeah. You see the fire engines all 6 or 7 up in there. I can see off. One or two. Hey, Sam. Yeah, nice bunch of people there, good crack. Fair play to the wee girl, her own bike and all. Good luck. all the rescue teams and all going past there. All sorts of fancy equipment. A few hikers there. Yeah, starting to smell the smoke now. Yeah, just 3 bikers just pulled in for a wee stop there. Wish that young girl all the best in her test. Fair play to her. Another guy come from Dungannon. Right, we spin down the road. Yeah, the bike community's great. See the bikers here, we always have a bit of crack with them. Otherwise you never get talking to them. Yeah, that smoke's pretty terrible. Smell it there. I wouldn't like to be breathing that in all day. Ah. No way you can see it in the camera or not. A lot of smoke coming over that way. Wow. Get the visor down. See that haze smoke over there? Yeah, that's why it's so hard to breathe coming down there. Do you see it? You don't realise how thick it is till you look back at it. Look at it! Yeah, a bit clear in that direction there. Nice part of the world up here all the same. Get that visor down. Yeah, class wee part of the world up here. Love this wee road. Seems nice in the winter time. Particularly nice out of the day. A few nice houses up here too. Wow, look at all that there now. It's all burnt. You smell it too, it's not too long. Lost in last night's fair. Wow. So all that new planted trees there. Probably kill all them. Yeah, definitely done a good bit of damage that fire there. Wow, that was a big fire, that one. Right out to the road edge there. I'd love to get the drone out for that. It's too blowy. keeping fit too. So I was thinking last night when I heard about the fire it was outside there, but obviously not. It's just as well, that's a big forest there. Yeah, that's that fire across the other side now. My right hand side. I maybe got to see this head into Hilltown into Newcastle up and head home. Early days yet. Maybe 12 o'clock. Not even. I'll see what way they are go. Fall back. No, I think it is 12 o'clock, isn't it? But I never changed it the last time either. That's that forest over there then. Wow. That was pretty close to them houses. You don't realise how many houses there is in there. Loads of them. Yeah, so that was that forest there then, causing all the problems. Obviously over that hill there, the houses are a lot closer. Right folks, I'm going to switch it off a wee while. See if anything happening there in Newcastle. Catch you later, bye. Alrighty then, that's me back. Just heading into Newcastle here. Didn't see a big lot fire-wise. Very hazy and all, but couldn't see a big lot. No flames. Look at this guy. Still very stormy. Even more so coming in near Newcastle. My mate Davey living in there someplace. Just not sure where. Maybe in there, is it? Alright, Davey. How's it going, big lad? Hope that Leo fella's behaving himself. You won't believe it, that's the guys that I met up at Spelgadam. Unreal. Look at that for timing. All keeping her single file here. I'll let them out here. Yeah, Newcastle's always bloody packed out. bikes there. Comes about today. Yeah, the girl can handle her bike alright there. Just good on it. No bother in the traffic. Yeah, she got her test alright, no bother. That day's changed around this side of the woods. Aye. Definitely a lot cooler. Now look at the tide. Definitely a big swell out there someplace. The size of the waves. Not too many swimmers today. Oh, there's one. It's not only winding up. There's a mental to go out there on that day swimming. Right now. Horsey time. Just coming to Kilkeel here. Fairly boring run up the road. Couldn't get past nothing. Just a whole lane of traffic. Not far away from home here. 5 or 6 miles ago. Still the same traffic almost. Guy out with his boat. Happy Hooker. Good name for a boat. Wonder do they think that one through? Move on a bit now. Yeah, hard to believe, just a golf course just right in behind that. 120 acres, short grass. Lovely place in there. Right folks, that's about it for the day. Almost at home. Just a wee lap round the mournes, nothing exciting. Just get out in the bike. Get a wee video off of YouTube. That's it. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching folks. And don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Get you next time. Bye.